I'm going to show you how to make a daisy caterpillar. I used to make these when I was little, sitting in the park. They're really quick and I think they're cuter to make than a daisy chain. The trick to making these is to snip the stem off the daisies that you're going to thread right at the base of the flower, and it opens up a little hole. And that's where we're going to be pushing the stalk through of the main body of the daisy. So the first thing to do is select the daisy you're going to use as the main body. And you want it to have quite a tough stem because you're going to be pushing it through lots of daisy heads. This one's a nice length and I can thread lots of daisies onto it. I like to use my thumbnail just to snip the stalk off. Open up that little hole and take the end of the long daisy and pop it through. You shouldn't have to push too hard, and then you can thread it all the way down the daisy. Snip off your next daisy and thread it on. Keep threading daisies on until you've nearly filled up the caterpillar body. When you've got about an inch left at the end of the stalk, have a look round for the daisy that's going to be the face of your caterpillar. Snip it off and thread it on. With the stalk that's left over, use your nail to split it in half, and that makes a pair of antennae. And that's your little caterpillar finished. Probably won't last longer than a day, but he also won't nibble your lettuce.